Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what we're going to do is the June Mary Maxim Crochet Kit of the Month unboxing. And I do realize that it's almost at the end of June. For those who are still getting Mary Maxim, they had a faux pas in the May shipment. And so we just got the May shipment 2 weeks ago, and I was super glad to not get the June shipment on the same day that I got the May shipment. So 2 weeks ago we got the May shipment, and now it's 2 weeks later and we have the June. So as we've done in the past, we're going to go back and review what we got in last month's shipment, and I'll show you what I made out of it and yarn left over, those kinds of things, and give you my impressions, and then we're going to open up June's. Okay, so, and we will be back on track, I hope, after this. For those who are not aware, for Mary Maxim, the first month that you get this from marymaxim.com, and the first month that you get the kit, it's $9.99 plus $4.95 shipping. The shipping charges have actually went down since they upgraded their website. It used to be $7.95 for shipping. Now it's $4.95. After the first month, the price point goes up from $9.99 to $14.99 plus the $4.95 shipping. So my price point has went down from $22.94 to $19.98. Okay, so let's go back to last month's. Okay, so last month what we got 5 balls of yarn and a pattern to make this top right here, and supposed to be a summer pattern or for a summer top. 2 panels put together. Most of it was to be basically look like a lot of shells, and I thought I was going to make it, but then I didn't. So this is the yarn that was shipped, and this is what I have left over. I have, out of the 5 balls of Summer Kiss, this is 100% cotton, and I got the colorway of Papaya. Very pretty, and you can see I'm wearing it. I have used 3 balls to make the top that I have on. Okay, and let me show you the top, and then I'll tell you how I constructed it. And so let me back up a little bit so you can see. Top half here, sleeve. And you can see the bottom half, I did something a little bit different. So the top half here, and then the bottom, I used Solomon's knot, or what's considered love knot. And it's kind of a shorty, it's like 22 inches long. And so this is what I made from last month's kit, which is essentially 2 weeks ago. So for the top half of this, I used the pattern out of the Crochet Summer 2021 magazine. There was that item in there, this shawl that I was talking about whether I was going to make it or not, and there was the the challenge around it. Well, I didn't make it as a shawl. I converted it, modified the pattern, and made it as a top. And so it still has a lot of the fundamentals of this in here. It's just I didn't make the pattern as big as this, and I didn't have the spacing as much as this is in here, and sewed it together, did my front panel, did a back panel, and then once I got below here, which is where I wanted it to stop on the front and the back, then I went out and decided I wanted it to be the Solomon's knot, which is the love knot, and that is what's at the bottom. And that's how it turned out. So as I shared, I still have 2 balls of yarn left over, and from that, I don't know, I'm thinking maybe I'll have enough to make a little bit. I don't think I have enough to make this. I don't think I do, but I'm going to try and see what else I can make, because I don't want 2 balls of yarn to go to waste, and I know that they've discontinued this yarn, and so I want to use it up. Okay, so now let's move on to this month's. You guys ready? I am. Let me turn on my fan. It is hot in here, and if it gets too loud, I'll switch it off. Okay, let's go here. I'm sorry about that. Let's go into June. All right, I'm super excited. And as I've done before, I have my computer beside me, and if I can look it up quickly, I'll look up the prices for you and we'll talk about it that way. So what do I feel in here? I think I feel 3 cakes. And I like getting cakes. Okay, let's see what we got. And I've already shared with you the price point. Let me fix my necklace here. I'm getting all discombobulated, guys. I'm so excited. All right, let's go. I am hoping for some nice colors. And I'm hoping still for some summer cotton. That's what I'm hoping for, guys. Okay, let's do it together. All right, let's make sure we still have our same price. I already gave you the price point. I'm going to double check that real quick because you know you got to do your due diligence. Yes, $9.98, $4.99 shipping, and it is indeed June. It is telling me June. Okay, let's see what we get. Ooh. Oh man, more orange, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. Oh my. I am digging these colors, guys. I can't wait to show you. Can't wait to show you. Okay, we'll look at this real quick. We'll look at this in a minute. I want to look at the yarn. Okay. Look at this. Oh, I don't like this. My little label's falling off. What are you? And that is pretty. Let me get the label on there. Okay, look at that. Oh my, look how close that is in relation to this top right here. Holy moly, that's pretty color. I don't like my labels popping off. All right, what are you? Knitting Fever, painted cotton, pure Giza cotton. So it's considered a 3-weight, light, and 357 yards, 100% cotton. And I'm going to say that's pretty soft. That's actually softer than what I have right here. That is a nice cotton. Very pretty. And what color are you? It is Cairo Sunset. And let me see if I can look it up real quick. Oh my God, that's pretty. You guys, you can see me wearing that because I'm wearing it now, right? Like that. On that. And I'm seeing regular for this is, and I've seen, went and looked this up on another time. So regular on this is right around $25. And it looks like they're on sale at, let's see, that's a Yarn Less Traveled and Yarn Webster's for $18.90. So yeah, I am super happy about that. That's one item. Just not happy about that sticker thing. Finally, it's sticking together. Let's see what else we got. Oh boy, we got 2 of these guys. These guys are going right after my heart because you know what? There's more orange. Look at that orange. Orange and purple, my 2 favorite colors. And this lime green is beautiful. What are you? It's a rainbow. It's a wrap rainbow. We got this last year at this time too, guys. Do you remember last year we got 5 skeins of It's a Wrap Rainbow and we made that lunar top? This year we're getting 2 skeins and the cotton, so a little bit different. All right, so this is 632 yards, 623 yards, 55% acrylic, 48% cotton. This is a size 2. We talked about this last year. And so this is the stuff that's not wound together. And I got suggestions in my box saying to put a bead at the end of it and it helps you crochet with it. But this makes super drapey items. And I don't want to pull that because that's already ready to go. But that color is beautiful. And looking, based on what I know from this last time, the color changes in this is very, very slow. And so it changes to where like it's 4 strands, right? And so I'll have 4 strands of the yellow and then it'll switch to 3 strands of the yellow, 1 strand of that green there. 2 strands of the yellow, 2 strands of green, and then maybe the strand of green and a strand of purple and a strand of, it just does very, very slow color changes to where you're finally in here where you have the blue, you have 4 strands, and it just, that's the way it changes. Yeah, it's just super, super slow transitions. I'm really liking that. So we have already, for the cotton, we have full price for that was $25, and it's right now on sale for $19. We've already made our money because if we just do the cotton and the pattern, we're already at $22. But I know from last year, I'll check real quick, oops, for that, and I've seen that before. Rainbow, it's a wrap. Oh wow, the prices went up. Right now, the Rainbow, it's a wrap is at Yarn Inspirations is $13. Wow, okay, I wonder why. That seems kind of high. I would, say 11, but that's what it's telling me, $13.20 right now at Yarn Inspirations. So that's $26 plus the 18, that's $36, $44, and I paid 22 or 20, so I'm super happy. Let's look at the pattern. It's a thick one today. Oh, we have a shawl. I'm not sure if I'll make that, guys. It's pretty. It might turn into a top though. And it comes with the little grid. So I'm happy about that. So that's delicate shells. Oh, and then also a summer scarf for the cotton. So there's 2 patterns in here, so bonus, right? So usually I say $3 to $5 for the pattern, so I have 2 patterns. So this month is a super, super win. I am super happy with all of this orange, and then purple, I couldn't be happier. Mary Maxim, you did a great job. All right, y'all, I am off to go have fun with my new bag of yarn. You all have a fantastic day, and I will see you next month with my makes. All right, y'all, bye.